Seeing the dreaded Tyre Sensors Not Detected message on your 2016 Ford Focus dashboard? This warning indicates your tire pressure monitoring system can't communicate with one or more tire sensors. The TPMS uses sensors in each tire to monitor pressure and temperature, wirelessly sending data to your car's computer. Common causes include dead sensor batteries that last 5 to 10 years, physical damage from impacts, or the need for a relearn after tire changes. First, try a TPMS Relearn. Inflate all tires to the pressure on your door jamb sticker, usually around 35 psi. Access the TPMS Relearn function in your driver information center through the settings menu. Then drive over 20 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes to sync the sensors with the car's computer. If the warning persists after relearn, it's likely a faulty sensor that needs replacement. If the relearn procedure doesn't resolve the issue, faulty sensors likely need replacement. Replacement sensors can be purchased online or at auto parts stores. Universal sensors are typically more affordable than OEM parts. To replace a sensor, first remove the wheel from the vehicle. Deflate the tire completely to make it easier to work with. Use a tire bead breaker tool to separate the tire from the rim. Once the tire is loose, access the sensor mounted on the rim. Unscrew the faulty sensor. A special tool may be required for proper removal. Install the new sensor and ensure it is properly torqued according to specifications. Reinflate the tire to the correct pressure, then remount the wheel on the vehicle. Torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specification. After sensor replacement, perform the TPMS Relearn procedure again. If you're not comfortable with this DIY process, a mechanic can perform the replacement for $200 to $400 per sensor, including parts and labor. Remember, low tire pressure can be dangerous and lead to blowouts. Never ignore this warning.